Are Lipo Flavonoids really the answer to tinnitus relief, or are they just another supplement scam? If you've seen the ads, you've probably wondered if those little yellow pills could finally silence the ringing in your ears. Let's get to the truth. First off, what even is Lipo Flavonoid? It's a supplement you'll find at almost every pharmacy, promising to help manage tinnitus. But here's what you might not know. Lipo Flavonoid is not approved by the FDA for treating any disease, including tinnitus. That's a huge red flag. You'll see it advertised as the #1 ENT doctor-recommended brand. Sounds official, right? But dig a little deeper, and you'll find this claim is more about aggressive marketing than real medical backing. The company floods ear, nose, and throat doctors with samples and flashy ads. That doctor-recommended stamp? It's basically paid for, not earned through hard science. Let's talk research. Multiple independent clinical studies have found that Lipo Flavonoid doesn't perform any better than a placebo for tinnitus. The American Tinnitus Association and other medical groups have publicly stated there's no solid proof this supplement works. And yet, the marketing keeps rolling. So what's in Lipo Flavonoid? The main ingredient is something called lemon bioflavonoid complex, specifically ariotic T-all glycoside. Sounds fancy, but there's zero credible research linking it to any real tinnitus relief. The rest of the pill? It's mostly B vitamins, vitamin C, calcium, and a few other common nutrients. Think of it as a glorified multivitamin. What about side effects? Most people tolerate it just fine, but reports include stomach upset, headaches, fatigue, and in rare cases, severe allergic reactions. If you notice anything odd after starting this supplement, stop immediately and talk to your doctor. You might see mixed reviews online. Some users claim they feel better, others say they got worse, and plenty say nothing changed at all. This can happen because tinnitus symptoms naturally fluctuate, and sometimes, just believing something will help can create a placebo effect. Here's the bottom line. Lipo Flavonoid is legally sold as a supplement, not a medicine. Its claims are vague for a reason. There's no real proof it works. If you're struggling with tinnitus, your best bet is to skip the supplements and talk with a healthcare provider about evidence-based treatments. Don't let slick marketing drain your wallet or your hope. If this helped clear things up, hit subscribe for more honest health breakdowns.